all trades here. I got a new project. I have a new sink faucet that needs to get installed. Been having trouble with the existing one. It's really hard to turn off and on, so we're going to put a new one in. Got a Menards, and I think it'll do the trick. Some instructions here. Might want to keep those handy. Throw them away in a spot that you can get them out of the trash, because you might need those when you have extra parts left over. Parts left over. Going to go in here. We need to turn off the water first, or I'm going to give myself a bath. So I'm going to turn off the water. This is not a lot of fun to do. Alright, so I'm going to take this thing off here, this little clip. You just squeeze that and it pops right off. Pretty easy. Ow. Okay, we got her. It's loose. Alright. I'm gonna need some parts, because this is not gonna fit with what I have. So I'm gonna take this off. Gross. Oh, that's going to be a problem. I doubt this is going to work. I might have to go buy more parts. Of course, there's absolutely no way of making that work. I got to run to the store again. Every time. So, I need to go get some lines that will connect this to my hookups underneath the sink. That is a bummer. Alright, well, pretty typical. Alright, I am back. Got my new hoses. I like these kind. Stainless steel braided. There we go. I think those work better than the copper. Then you can twist them and bend them and whatever you need to do. I'm going to put some tape on them, on the threads. Okay. Now I got to clean off the faucet area. Get all that old plumber's putty off. And then I'll put new stuff on. Okay. Now, I got some plumber's putty. If you just work it, should get soft again. And you want to just roll it up. Doesn't take a whole lot. Just put a small bead. That keeps the water from going inside and leaking from the top of the sink down. And then whatever extra squeezes out, I'll just wipe that off. Okay. Okay, I have these two bolts, and they will screw in to the holes. There's a Phillips head, so you can screw them in, get them nice and tight. All right. Okay, next step, these big flat nuts. This is a real bummer. This stuff is just awful.
This stuff is just awful.
Million times harder than it needs to be. I'm gonna guess. I think this is hot. I could have got a hose that was like a third this length. Good Lord. Those are tight. For the drain. Okay, that should be all the way down. I'm going to lock it into place. Looks like that is working. And then the excess putty, just take your finger, clean that off. I'm going to take a paper towel, wipe that smooth all the way around. And that's all there is. I'm going to turn on the water. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
All right, so this is fairly typical. Well, that's unfortunate. I don't know if I cross-threaded that or what happened.
So, how much longer do you think?
All right, yesterday was fairly unfortunate. So today we're going to get a little bit more extensive, and I'm going to turn off the water to the house and drain the lines and go from there. Okay, now I'm going to go around the house and open up all the faucets and everything to drain the water out of the lines so I don't get soaked when I take the faucet apart up in the bathroom. Okay, want to make sure you do the top level too, so all the air vacuum gets out of the lines and drains the water. So I got a new motto today. Alright, looks like all the air is out of the lines in the water. Oh, I found the problem. Because I used the old one and got the threads to work again. Tighten it up real good. I think we're good to go. Okay, I put the tape on outside of from under the sink this time, so I think it'll be a lot easier. Alright, I got it. No leaks. Alright, super simple project you should be able to do in 10 minutes. Unless you're me, that's going to take 2 days, but I got it. And it works, no leaks, and that's it.